Hey gang, Sally here. Welcome back to my tiny RV kitchen. I hope you're having an amazing and fascinating day. I know I am. Sorry about this, the generator's running because I've been in cloudy days and using a lot of power. So I'm letting the batteries charge back up a little bit. And where am I? I'm actually in a national park site, and I decided to go ahead and prep dinner before I tour the national park. And in part I'm doing that because when I leave here I've got an hour and a half drive before I get to my next destination. So this way, all I have to do is cook it. Everything's prepped. What are we making today? Cheater tuna casserole. Let me flip the camera around and I'll show you what we got going on. Okay, so this is not going to be a step-by-step how to chop up vegetables, because you all know how to do that. But I wanted to let you know how we got to this point, and I think it looks pretty daggone amazing, actually. So, over here, on the right, this is a container of macaroni and cheese from my dinner at Cracker Barrel night before last. And so that was just the macaroni and cheese that I ordered with my dinner. This is a can of Wild Planet wild-caught tuna fish. And so I combined the macaroni and cheese with the tuna fish, and then I added zucchini, tomatoes, orange bell pepper, red onion. So I'm getting as many different colors as I can. And I actually had baby carrots of many different colors. So I've got like 3 different colors of carrots in there. I added some additional pepper jack cheese, and then I made my sauce from powdered milk mixed with water and arrowroot and flaxseed, and then I sprinkled some additional chia seeds on. All of this is good for omega-3s and for extra fiber and all that kind of stuff, and pepper jack cheese to augment all of that. And I may even add some more Parmesan cheese on top just to brown it up at the very end. So these containers, by the way, come from Dollar Tree, $1.25 tree. They're 3 for $1.25. They come with lids, so I'm going to smash my lid down on top here. This is going to take 2 hands to do it. And then this fits perfectly in my air fryer, so when I'm ready for dinner, when I get stopped tonight, I'm going to go ahead and just start cooking this up. I figure it's probably going to need to go about probably 20 minutes or so at 350, and then I'll take a look and see where we are. It might need to go longer. But in the meantime, I just wanted to share with you what my thought process was behind this. And I mean, this is one dinner that I bought at Cracker Barrel night before last. I got the home-style chicken and the meatloaf. I did pay extra for the loaded baked sweet potato. And then I ordered mac and cheese as my side, and I got biscuits. So, the first night I had... Hang on, let me flip the camera back around. So the first night I had the home-style chicken and half of the baked potato. And then the next morning I had some eggs and one of the biscuits. And last night I had the meatloaf and the other half of the baked potato. And now today I'm taking the macaroni and cheese and turning it into another whole casserole, which is probably 3 servings in there. So when you think about how to be frugal from that perspective, that's a pretty frugal way to eat out. The basic combination 2 meat meal I think was $14, then it was another $2 for the baked sweet potatoes, so with tax it was like $17. But I got 4 meals. Well, I got more than 4 meals. Oh, because I had the other biscuit with eggs for breakfast this morning. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. I've already had 4 meals, and now I'm going to have 3 more. So 7 meals for $17, and I really didn't have to do much in the way of cooking. So I think that's pretty cool. All right, I'm going to show you this when we get it all cooked up this evening, and we'll find out how it tastes. I'm pretty excited, though. Let me know what you think. Here we are at the end of the cooking. I did 20 minutes at 365 on bake, and then I added 21 minutes, and I added the Parmesan cheese on the top and did another 4 minutes or so. Top got a little browner than I was really counting on when we were in bake mode, but that's okay. It'll be crispy-ish. If I can get it out of here. All right, looking pretty good to me. Tastes good. All right, let me get this dished up, and we're gonna have to wait a minute before I can even try it because it's like super hot. Super, super hot. But smells good, looks good. It ought to be in Hollywood. All right, we got a bowl full there. As I said, I'm gonna let this cool off a little bit before we taste it. But I'll do that and let you know how it turns out. All right, it is way hot, but let's just see what we got here. So that looks like a piece of carrot and some tuna and some orange bell pepper. Focus. Come on. There we go. That's better. That's pretty daggone good. And I forgot to add salt and pepper. So you might want to do that. I think I'm just going to go with the flavor that I got, though. Because we got cheesy goodness. And we got plenty of vegetables. So I'm going to enjoy this. As always, thanks for hanging around. I really appreciate you watching my videos. Let me know what you think of this one in the comments down below. And don't forget, likes, thumbs up, you know, all the regular stuff. All right, we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.